What's up, guys? Very excited here to review the JBL Tune 125s, JBL by Harman. This is going to be a product that I'm excited for. JBL has made some excellent audio stuff, speakers, home theater, car audio I've seen in the past. So JBL and Harman are going to be partnering, or they're going to be producing this JBL Tune 125. I'm excited to unbox and review these, let you know how they compare to some of the other earbuds I have reviewed. And again, these are under $50 right now. Now the prices range. Typically they're under $100, but you could get them on a discount sale on Amazon as low as $50. So if they're not on Amazon right now for $50, check the link below. However, that's what we were able to pick them up for. So you could always wait for a sale. The packaging, pretty innovative. They provide up to 32 hours of playtime with 8 hours on each earbud as well. You could use them joint or one at a time. Really neat. Let's get this unboxing going and a review. I'll let you know how they compare. They're supposed to have good bass. Before I do that, I always ask you guys, like the video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps our channel. Subscribe and check back for more videos. Also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into this video. Okay, so the JBL Harman pure bass, zero cables. That's great. Fast pair, that means they come out, they're pretty much easy to pair. On the side you have some notes here: true wireless, a comfort fit, hands-free stereo calls, comfortable Apple. Wait a minute, that's in Spanish or a different language. Here I am trying to read it. Okay, so 32 hours total battery life, 8 hours on each earbud, 24 hours total on the case. This guy looks cool. Dare to listen. You have your pure bass sound, so comfort fit. Now a 15-minute charge will give you 1 hour of playtime. It does come with the USB-C. Nice little view packaging here. You can see the earbuds. On the other side you got your stereo left, right. You could do mono, so you could actually have a single earbud, so that will control your voice and hanging up on the calls. Now we're gonna look at the manual and see how they play or take into effect, but it looks like the left earbud controls your forwarding and reverse playback or previous song, and then your right earbud controls the voice activator or the assistant, and then the call features. Let's get this unboxed. I'm excited. Tune 125s. I think this is our first JBL product. We're gonna get our handy dandy cutting knife blade. So the packaging opens from the bottom. It is a very simple packaging. I like it. Nothing crazy, okay? We don't need crazy. First impressions from the packaging, which I'm gonna set aside, is it's kind of rather big, the case itself. It is on the skinnier side, but it is pretty bulky in my opinion. Now you do get this beautiful colored orange USB-C with even orange inside of it. And this is really neat. I like that color. In addition, you do get 2 extra tips here, which we're gonna take a look at. What I like about these tips is they have a little orange glow to them, as you can see. I think that's really neat. And then you get your earbuds. Yeah, these look big. I mean, look how big these look. This probably has a good bass driver, and they're not small in comparison. They may stick out pretty wide from your ear. The case obviously opens up like so, and you could pop these earbuds in like so as well. So it looks like, there we go. There's a good magnet for them. There's an indicator for charging. Inside it tells you some model numbers, it looks like, and there's some rubber on the inside here, so they close well. I love the flap. The flap of this is really good. It's got a good closing. If we open it, will these fall out? No, they won't. Okay, the magnet is good, and they're big. Okay, so let's take a look. In comparison, now that we've seen the extra tips, you also get a little brochure or manual booklet here. This is not the fun part, but we should always go over it just because. Oh, look at this, it's an accordion. We're gonna need to pair them Pairing is simple. You'll see the JBL 125s in the iPhone or your Android or whichever device you're using. Simple controls. So we'll pull these out. Again, on the left or right, 5 seconds, we'll enter power or Bluetooth mode or pairing mode. Reconnect the left or right, you just have to hold it for 3 seconds. Power on is 2 seconds. Power off is 5 seconds. And then commands, double tapping on the left bud, you're gonna go ahead and go previous song. A single tap goes to the next song. One tap also will hang up a call and disconnect the call. And then a 2-second hold will mute it, which is neat. And on the right, which is here, you're gonna have pretty much the same type of functionality, except double tapping gets you Siri. A single tap is play and pause, hang up a call, and then 2 taps or 2-second hold will mute it. Now on the Siri, Google Assistant, on the mono mode, left or right, if you're just having one of these in your ear, a single press is pause, play, hang up, call, and then hold for 2 seconds to mute while on a call, or double press for a Google Assistant or Siri or any other assistant you're using. So that's pretty straightforward. Let's see how these sound. I'm excited because they're supposed to have some good bass. Now you also get a warranty card, guys, and typically they're always about a year. You could check on your vendor, what they provide, etc. So warranty is important. A lot of people in the comments say, hey, the warranty on my Tozos or some other brands, the headphones went out, what warranty do I have? So a lot of these manufacturers offer at least a year. You should know what you're buying as well. On the back of the case, you have this hinge. The hinge is very visible and it protrudes a little bit, so you can see that. The USB-C charger, and these are not wireless charging, but the case itself is pretty rugged. It's thin. I want to see if I have my AirPods, so you could see this is the 2nd gen AirPods here, and they are a lot thinner in terms of case size. I mean, you're getting a pretty bulky case in comparison, at least to the AirPods, okay? So we should note that. We'll see how the quality of music is. Now, they pop in like so, and you got to twist to lock them, which actually fits well. And as you could see, the JBL should be to the side. They fit really snug, really well with the tips that were included. So I just connected them, and I already hear that they're trying to pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair them up. Both earbuds fit well. As I said, I do feel a little bit nasally, again, because these don't have transparency mode. On my app, it comes up with the JBL Tune 125, so I am connected to it. Let's go ahead and play a rap song. Let's see what the bass on these bad boys are. I'm gonna go ahead and pick out one of my favorite rap songs. I usually pick the same song, to be honest with you, to give you that perspective and compare earbuds to earbuds, because that's what everybody ultimately asks. Which are the best earbuds? I love this type of bass on these type of earbuds. The bass is clear. I can hear the lyrics very well, but the bass is there. Man, they sound great. For $50 on sale right now. Wow. They're 50% off as of the filming of this video. Oh man. Yeah, I like that. You see what I'm happy? I'm happy when I listen to good earbuds. Very clear bass, not too much. It's perfect on this song. I can hear the songs very well. Can't really hear myself talk again. I'm gonna play one more rap song with a little bit more treble or a little bit more lyrics and less bass. But the bass was subtle. It wasn't over the top. It was just perfect. Man, they're good. They're really good. I would buy these. The bass was great, the mids were great, the lows, the highs. Overall, they're really quality earbuds. You're getting an audiophile or a very, very well put together earbud that feels like it stays in, so it's not gonna fall out. I could work out in these. A lot of earbuds don't fit as well as these do, and I think it's because of the way they're ergonomically shaped. They're going this way. Man, this fit great. And they include 3 ear tips, by the way. This song, very crisp, very clear, less bass. I love them. I'm very excited to review these. I think they sound excellent. In comparison, they sound like a very high-end product that's way over $100 that I've reviewed. So if you're looking for quality sound, these JBL Tune 125s are excellent, okay? Let's place a phone call. Let's see how good they are with the phone call. I'll give you my perspective. Hey, what's up? It's Simon,
Hey, Simon.
here. Yep, I am reviewing the JBL Tune 125s. How do I sound?
Yeah, you sound good. Very clear.
Good. You sound great as well. The talking during having these earbuds, it's a little bit nasally, so they don't have transparency mode, but overall very clear. The sound from music is excellent. Thank you for picking
sure,
up.
no problem.
And I will report back.
All right, see you.
Okay, so I got off the call. They sound pretty much like every earbud that doesn't have transparency mode or awareness mode. There's no microphone kind of feeding the surrounding environment back, noise canceling, etc. But they sound great. So overall, for music, audiobooks, and even phone calls, I think these are excellent. For the price right now of $50 of what they're going for, again, the prices may change. They're excellent. JBL advertises that these have pure bass sound, and what I would have renamed it is to crystal bass. I don't think it's over the top, overbearing bass. It's just very clean drivers, okay? That's what I love in earbuds, is a very clean bass sound that's there. Up to 32 hours battery life with the case. Each earbud is 8 hours battery life. Also could be used individually, so once they fit in and charge, you got 8 hours on each earbud plus another 24 hours on the case, and I do believe that to be valid. It seems like a lot of the reviews confirm that as well, and again, on Amazon these are over 15,000 reviews, so they're a really good product. The fast pairing was really nice. I enjoyed that. Paired really quick right out of the box. It was simple. And again, if you need to repair them, you just hold them for 3 seconds. Independence is something they advertise. So again, having one in the ear, the other one out, you get even more battery life. So 40 hours, let's say, or more. But overall, that's a feature that every earbud nowadays has. So it's not a really big feature. My final opinion, these sound great. The case is a little bit on the bigger side. It's not heavy though. They sound very quality. So you're getting really good sound for the price. I would recommend these. These are the JBL Tune 125s. Definitely check them out if you're looking for some quality sound. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like for the review. Also comment below if you have these and let me know your thoughts on them. They fit great, they feel great, they sound great. I don't know what to say bad about them. Maybe they're not the most futuristic earbuds out there. There's no wireless charging, no noise canceling, no transparency mode, but quality and sound is here and you won't be disappointed. Make sure you check out Tech Visibility, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Catch you guys here in the next video.